So we are taking the room, one room after the other. So this is where they're getting to. Taking it from the ending. Once we complete this room now, the next thing is plastering and that. Then tomorrow we'll cast the poultry pillars. You can see the poultry pipe. Cast the poultry pillars. Cast it. So as they finish plastering and that from this side, they'll start the plastering of the poultry. Then next thing is the roofing of the poultry. Also the woodwork of the poultry. After I finish the woodwork of the poultry, do the aluminium roofing. Then net the poultry around. After the carpenter finish the framing of the poultry, net it. Put in those galvanized nets that are strong, that don't rust. Put it around. Then I'm also making arrangements for people so that they will maintain this whole place. These grasses, they will cut them. The plantain, they will do it in a way that it will be walkway in between for this plantain. That is just put on both sides, so one can easily walk in between the plantain. Maintain this whole place so that it's walkable. That's the breeding room for the poultry. Not completed yet. We maintain in between the poultry, so here will be free for movement, land, no gases. So that's what I'm trying to do after we finish this one. The plantain will just be in between, so one can just relax under. Like the plantain will be like a shade, so in between like that. So that's the plantain. Then this other side too, I will still maintain it. Maintain here, side of the pig. Maintain here down. But this is where the fish pond will be. Maintain here down.